How to transfer Solana from Bybit to Phantom Wallet 2025 updated tutorial. Step 1. Get your Phantom Wallet SOL address. Under the Step 1, open your Phantom Wallet browser extension or mobile app. Then select a Solana SOL from the asset list and click or tap Receive. Then just go ahead and copy the wallet address shown. It should start with something like 5 by 3G. As for the second step, log into Bybit. Under the second step, open the Bybit app or website login. After that, go to the Assets tab or Funding a Spot Wallet. Moving forward to Step 3, withdraw SOL from Bybit. Tap on Withdraw, then choose Solana SOL from the list. In the withdrawal form, for address, paste your Phantom SOL address. For network, select Solana SOL. Very important. Do not select ERC20 or any other network. Then for amount, enter how much SOL you want to send. Review the withdrawal fee, usually small for Solana, like 0.01 SOL. Then tap Withdraw. As for Step 4, confirm withdrawal. Bybit will ask for security verification, email or phone code. 2FA code, Google Authenticator, if enabled. After confirming, the withdrawal will be processed. And for the last one, Step 5, wait for transfer to complete. Solana is fast. Transfers typically complete within 1 to 5 minutes. You'll see the SOL in your Phantom wallet once the transfer is successful. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something in this tutorial, but that was it then. See you again in the next video.